Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Webull dark mode. First, open your Webull application on either your mobile device or desktop. Once the app is open, locate the menu icon, which is typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap or click this icon to reveal a list of options. From there, simply select Settings to proceed to the next step. After entering the settings, look for an option labeled Appearance or Theme. This section allows you to control the visual appearance of your Webull interface. Select Dark Mode or a similar dark theme setting to instantly change the app's background to a darker color. You might also find options to fine-tune brightness or contrast for your personal preference. Webull often provides advanced customization for dark mode. You can explore specific chart color schemes that are optimized for darker backgrounds, ensuring clarity for your trading analysis. Some versions allow you to customize individual element colors, such as text or indicator lines, giving you precise control. Remember to save your personalized dark mode theme once you are satisfied with your selections. Enabling dark mode offers several benefits, including significantly reducing eye strain, which is especially helpful during long trading sessions. It can also contribute to conserving battery life on devices with OLED screens, giving you more time to monitor your investments. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, please see the links in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.